The new Bonfire coin is quickly booming and can reach 100 times its current price. Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the price prediction of Bonfire coin. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Let's get started. Bonfire is a crypto-based, frictionless, yield-generating contract based on the Binance Smart Chain. The project is based on an RFI tokenomic model that takes a 5% fee on every transaction that is then redistributed to all holders of the Bonfire token, and another 5% fee that goes into the liquidity pool to give additional security for token holders. The project sustains the long-term goal of launching a decentralized social media platform, providing a space for NFT sales, as well as other utilities and sub-projects that are yet to be announced. The greatest asset of Bonfire is the amazing community that has been built around it. Giveaways, competitions, and charity donations are a main part of Bonfire. Bonfire tends to stand apart from the crowd and move towards a future of stability and multifaceted use. With a dedicated team of multi-skilled and technically experienced developers, along with marketing and social engagement managers, the project is being driven by people with a genuine belief in decentralized finances and the positive changes it can bring on the world and global community. The current price of Bonfire as of the 30th of August is USD 0.0000034. The 24-hour trading volume of Bonfire is USD 207,118 at exchange markets. Last week, the price of Bonfire had dropped by 31.89%. The price of the token has decreased by 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Bonfire was first listed at $0.0000001. Looking at these details, you might not be impressed with the depression in the prices, but it's just a change in 4 days. It is still too early to know Bonfire's potential for sure. It definitely will have a huge pump at the prices in the upcoming weeks. If the cryptocurrency market can take Dogecoin to such a high value, Bonfire has the capacity to become the next Dogecoin too. It has a total supply of 1 quadrillion Bonfire tokens and there are around 92,400 holders. This clearly shows the huge potential of Bonfire in the coming weeks. Bonfire has already accomplished all the tasks that they promised to fulfill to date. Better marketing, merchandise, listing on multiple exchanges, and NFT marketplace in the future. Partnerships with famous brands will also be done in the future. It's a description that manages to be both highly complicated and vague. As a matter of fact, it's just a cryptocurrency like any other, with two notable features that it is similar to other trending tokens: static rewards and manual burns. Every Bonfire transaction has a 10% transaction fee. Half of that fee is redistributed to all Bonfire holders as a reward, and the other half is used for a liquidity pool, or a pool of crypto funds that facilitates trading. The Bonfire team can burn tokens whenever they want to reduce the supply. Bonfire's original supply was 1 quadrillion tokens, and 40% have been burned so far. Both of these features were made famous by SafeMoon, a cryptocurrency that launched in March. After SafeMoon's early success, many new cryptocurrencies came out with the same features. Bonfire followed a familiar pattern to many other cryptocurrencies. There wasn't much activity for the first few weeks of its launch. On May 3rd, its price opened at $0.00000047174, and it was starting to get people's attention. By the end of the day, the price had more than doubled. On the morning of May 10th, it touched an all-time high of $0.00000886399, which was a 1,779% increase in just 1 week. That high didn't last long, as it lost a third of its value by the end of the day. On June 29th, the price went down to $0.00000006678, which was a drop of over 90% from its all-time high. The token is technically still being exchanged. It's available on PancakeSwap, a popular platform for these kinds of recently launched projects that aren't big enough for major exchanges. Bonfire does have the potential to go up multiple times like before and hit new all-time highs. The Bonfire prediction for the year 2021, considering an average movement scenario, is still optimistic. The token is anticipated to be traded at $0.000000528 US in the month of September. In the months of October and November, the token is further expected to go down a bit to a range of $0.000000454 US dollars. By December, the price would come back up to the current exchange price and then further move upwards. But we want you to know that all investments come with risk and the crypto market is highly unstable. It's always better to consult a financial advisor and do your research before investing, as we do not provide financial advice. Let us know which coin you love the most in the comments below, and do hit the thumbs up if you found this video interesting. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye!